Okay, students, let us continue with the construction of a triangle. Now let us see if we can draw a triangle with the given measures of some sides and angles are given. Draw triangle ABC such that length AB is equal to 4 centimeters and length BC is equal to 3 centimeters. Can this triangle be drawn? No, here we cannot draw the triangle since the measurement of the third side is not given here, CA or length AC. So here, in order to draw the triangles, we have to fulfill certain conditions. So which further conditions must be placed if we want to draw a unique triangle using the above information? Now, before constructing any building, the structure of the building is first drawn on the paper. You might have even seen a small model of some such building. It becomes easier to construct the building from a drawing. In a similar way, a rough sketch of a geometrical construction makes it easier to draw the required figure. It helps to plan the sequence of the steps in the construction. Now, let us see the first method to construct a triangle given the lengths of its three sides. Example, draw triangle XYZ such that length XY is equal to 6 centimeters, length YZ is equal to 4 centimeters, length XZ is equal to 5 centimeters. So let us draw a rough figure quickly and show the given information in it as accurately as possible. For example, side XY is the longest. You can see it's 6 centimeters. So in the rough figure 2, XY should be the longest side. Normally, we take the longest side as the base of the triangle. So let me draw a rough figure on one side. So here XY. So with the scale, we'll draw here XY as 6 centimeters. So let's label it as X and Y. Then the next side XZ is 5 centimeters. So with the scale, I'll just take 5 centimeters, or you can just approximately take it XZ. This is a rough figure. So we'll just draw it with a scale, no problem. Then next ZY or YZ is 4 centimeters. So we'll just take it as 4 centimeters here approximately. So this is Z. This is 5 centimeters. This is 6 centimeters. This is 4 centimeters. So you can write here rough figure. So from the rough figure, you get an idea as to how to draw the final figure. So here, the steps are given which I have done just now. So now let us draw the final figure. So using the scale, we will draw first 6 centimeters as the base. So from 0 we start and then we go up to 6 centimeters. So let's label this as X and Y. Now, with the help of the rounder, we'll take the rounder and we'll keep it on the scale 0. The pointer should be on 0 and this XZ is 5 centimeters. So let the pencil point rest on 5. Take this measurement, then keep the pointer on X and draw an arc here. Can see the arc, right? Now again ZY is 4 centimeters. So again we'll take the measurement on the scale 4 centimeters. See 0 and 4. Yes. So again keep the pointer on Y and cut the first arc. Now let us join the points. This is your point Z. So let's join it to X first and then Y. So this is the required triangle. I hope you have understood it. Same way, you can draw this triangle the other side also. Now this is on the upper side. Now let us draw it on the lower side. So here again we can draw 6 centimeters XY, same way construction. So again here, let me draw it here. XY is 6 centimeters. X and Y. Similarly, let's take XZ as 5 centimeters. I hope you can see this. Yeah, 5 centimeters. So we can keep the pointer on X, draw an arc. Similarly, let's take 4 centimeters. And again, keep the pointer on Y and cut the first arc. Now let us join these two segments. So here this is your point Z. So this is 6 centimeters. XZ is 5 centimeters here. And this is 4 centimeters. Similarly, here also it is 5 centimeters. And here also it is 4 centimeters. So I hope you all have understood the method to draw the triangle given the lengths of its 3 sides. Here also you can draw the rough figure. Okay, children. So let's see the exercise. Let's go to the exercise and solve it. So practice set 2. Here in the practice set 2, we can draw the triangles with the given measures. So I'll draw some triangles. So let us draw the first triangle, triangle ABC, such that length of AB is equal to 5.5 centimeters, length BC is equal to 4.2 centimeters, length AC is equal to 3.5 centimeters. So how we have drawn in the first figure, similarly we can draw it in the second figure also. So just observe carefully how to draw it. So first let me draw a rough figure here. All of you can observe. Yeah, rough figure. You need not take the exact measurements. You need not take the exact measurements here. So let's say AB is 5.5. So let it be the base. Okay, let us draw the base first. So just a rough figure. So just let it be as A and B, 5.5 centimeters. Then BC is 3.5. So approximately we can just draw it. And AC is 3.5 and BC is 4.2. So we can say here, let's say this is point C. AC is 3.5 centimeters and BC is 4.2 centimeters. Right? So here you get an idea by drawing the rough figure. So let's take the base. So keep the scale here and draw 5.5 centimeters. So from 0 we start, we go up to 5.5. Label this point as A and B segment. 5.5 centimeters. Now on the scale, we'll take the measurement as 3.5 centimeters since length AC is 3.5. So keep the pointer on 0 and take exact measurement. Yes. Yeah. So we'll keep the pointer on A and draw an arc. Next, BC is 4.2. So again the same way. With the compass you get the exact measurement. So 4.2. Let's join these points. So this is point C here. This is 3.5 centimeters. And this is 4.2. You can draw it on the other side also. Any one side you draw when you're doing your homework. But a rough figure is necessary because there are marks for it. So see that you draw it. I hope you have understood this construction. Now let us go. You can draw the B and the C figure for homework. Now the second one. Let us see how we can draw the isosceles triangle when the base is 5 centimeters and the other sides are 3.5 each. Now what do you mean by an isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle means a triangle in which the two sides are equal or same or congruent. So let me draw this isosceles triangle. So let's take the base as 5 centimeters. So here I will draw the base as 5 centimeters. Let me label this as X and Y. X and Y. And this is 5 centimeters. Before that, you have to draw a rough figure. So let's draw the rough figure here. So just approximately X and Y. So this is 5 centimeters. And the other two sides are 3.5. So just a rough figure. Approx. X, Y, Z. So this is 3.5 centimeters and 3.5 centimeters. Now here we have drawn XY as the base. Now on the scale you will measure 3.5 centimeters with the rounder or the compass. So this is 3.5. So now we'll keep the pointer here and with the pencil we'll draw the arc. Other point on point Y, same measurement, and draw an arc here. Now let us join these points. So this is your Z point. And here this is 3.5 centimeters. The other one is 3.5 centimeters. So this is the required isosceles triangle. You can draw it the other way also, other side also. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Now you can do the third one also. So draw an equilateral triangle with side 6 centimeters. You all know what do you mean by an equilateral triangle. And equilateral triangle means a triangle which has got 3 equal sides. The measures are the same. Yes, please draw it same way. Next, fourth question. Choose the lengths of the sides yourself and draw one equilateral triangle, one isosceles triangle, and one scalene. Scalene triangle means a triangle in which all the 3 sides measure differently. So you will do it on your own. You take your own measurements and draw that.